So in this video we're going to look at an indicator which can scan for stocks which is at the support or supply zone or resistance zone, right? Supply zone or demand zone. Okay, so here what we do is there is a screener here. So we have entered all the stocks we want. Okay, so we have we just put all the entries here. Okay, so now I am on a monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame, you see a VIX. So VIX is at the demand zone. Okay, so that basically means that it's going to reverse. Okay, so now I'm going to add one more indicator, buy sell weight. Okay, so this indicator, now I can see when it's going to reverse. Okay, so it's here. So okay, now let me go to a weekly time frame. Okay, so I'm going on a weekly time frame. I'm seeing that these are the stocks which are at the, so let's say example XLB, it's at a resistance zone, right? Support zone, supply zone. Okay, so now XLB, okay, you can see here. Let me take this off. Buy okay, you can see here it is approaching the zone where it can reverse. Okay, it already has reversed multiple times here. Okay. Now let's look at IWM. So it's going to hit this resistance zone here. Okay, okay, let's look at XLRE. You can see that it's already in a zone, support zone, right? It's going to hit this and reverse back. Okay, you can see here it's lower high, and lower high again. Okay, you can see a trend line is going down. Okay, it could reverse from here. Okay, that is what this scanner, this is a paid scanner, but it can show you what are the stocks which are basically downtrending. Now look for XLP. So you can see here XLP has reached the peak and it could reverse. Okay, going to reverse. So you want to see the price action. And now let's go to 1 hour time frame. Okay, go to 4 hour. Because this is a paid indicator which can help you identify stocks which are in the support and resistance zones. Okay, still scanning. Okay, on a 4 hour time frame, let's look at HYZ. AMZN. Okay, let's look at AMZN. Okay, you can see here it's approaching the resistance zone. Okay, so this is a good indicator which can help you identify the trend. As you can see, it's reversing here also. Okay, let's say GTX. You want this to retest here and then bounce back. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please share, subscribe and comment. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.